Hello and welcome to this tapping video. So clarity, how would you like more clarity? I can help you get rid of the brain fog, help you get rid of the indecisiveness, and we're going to do that today with some tapping. So have a think about what you'd like to get clear on. What is holding you back? What is getting in your way? And if you're feeling very unclear, this is what we're going to tap on today, so you can really start to make a decision, you can gain that clarity and really make those decisions with ease. So just looking after your own well-being and safety, just start tapping on the side of the hand. Just take a nice deep breath for me first of all and let it go. Even though I'm feeling more stuck and I'd like more clarity, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've been feeling some of this brain fog, feeling indecisive and lacking clarity, what if I could let that all go? But I've been feeling a bit stuck. I need to make that decision. And I just want to gain more clarity and insight. And I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. And maybe anyone else is contributing to this. I've just got this brain fog. I'm a bit confused. I'm unsure what road to take. I'm unsure what decision to make. I just want to allow myself to have some more clarity. Just allow this brain fog to dissipate. Imagine if I could just gain a bit more clarity. But maybe it's just an old pattern. Maybe it's an old way of being. What if I could let that go? Just seeing myself making any decision with ease. Just envisioning myself making that decision. And whether it's a huge, important decision in my life or something small, I want to allow myself to gain more clarity. Tapping into feelings of clarity. Allowing my mind to become clear. Reducing that inner chitter-chatter. Reducing that inner negativity. Getting rid of the I can't do it or all that negativity. Just feeling more clearer even as I tap. Gaining more clarity. Feeling clearer and clearer. Just allowing that brain fog to shift. Feeling some clarity now. And whatever decision I make, it will be the right decision for me. So it's okay to let that old stuff go. Feeling clearer and clearer even as I tap. Tapping into feelings of clarity. Tapping into feelings of success. Letting go of that brain fog. I don't need it anymore. Feeling clearer and clearer. Letting all the old stuff go. Allowing myself to experience clarity. Tapping into clarity now. Clearing all that old stuff out. Feeling lighter and lighter. I'm able to make any decision with ease. And I know it's the right decision, at least for me at this time. Feeling clearer and clearer. Letting go of that brain fog. Letting go of that indecisiveness. I choose to release and let go. It's okay to let it all go now. Through every single cell in my body. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And just check in again. Is any of that brain fog gone? Is that feeling a little bit clearer? Do let me know in the comments how you get on. And feel free to hit the bell so you can find out when any new videos are coming out. I am going to be releasing a lot more of these videos regularly. Catch you soon.